Are you affected by the weather and by the seasons changing? Well, a lot of people are, and we get a lot of calls about it. And in fact, once upon a time, I struggled with that as well. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So hang around for a minute. Hey, today we are talking about seasonal affective disorder and some treatments for that. And so this is not a fun thing to talk about, being depressed in the wintertime, but people who are not depressed at all throughout the rest of the year suffer from this. And basically it's just a lack of the sunlight. So it's starting now. Here we are in mid-October 2019. And the weather is funky. I mean, it's just overcast, the leaves are falling, and I think it kind of puts people in a little bit of a spiral. And then it really ramps up like after the holidays and you don't have anything to look forward to. So let's get way ahead of that this year. And let's work on a couple of things that really do help people that suffer from this disorder and the light conditions. So first of all, finding a hobby that you can do no matter what the weather is can be hugely inspirational and can help cut this off before it begins. So a hobby, number one, best thing you can do for yourself. Another thing that you can do for yourself is there's all kinds of lights that you can purchase that put off that same quality of light that the sun is given to us, the vitamin D and the vitamin K. And so maybe you want to look into one of those lights. And third, I think just letting people know that this is something that you struggle with and for them to be aware of it so that if you find yourself that you're stuck at home and you won't get out and you just are really, you need an accountability partner to kind of pull you out of that, to make sure that you don't sit in there and struggle. And matter of fact, even though some people just, the cold bothers them so bad, my dad's one of them, he says that anything under 70 degrees is freezing and he doesn't want to go outside. So I know on a nasty day like today, and for the next few days in our weather forecast, is that I have to reach out to him and be like, hey, let's go get lunch, and give him a reason to get out of the house, because we do close ourselves off when we don't want to deal with it. A very good friend of mine said today, I think I'm going to cancel the kids' dentist appointment because I don't want to drive in the rain. And so the seasons are going on and changing about us all the time, and we just have to find something in each season to appreciate. I love the fall. Matter of fact, it's one of the things that I have the most decorations for, fall and spring in my attic. I love all the colors and I love all the things that you get to do, and that, it's cooler outside and the mosquitoes aren't nearly as bad as they are in the summertime around here in South Louisiana. And so I think that there's plenty of things to do and enjoy, and we want to know what you enjoy doing in the fall. So make sure that you leave us a comment down below of your favorite activity to do outside in the fall, whether it's visiting a pumpkin patch or a corn maze, going for a hayride, anything like that. We want to know what your favorite fall activities are and how you beat the SAD, the seasonal affective disorder. So I hope that this is helpful to you. If this is something that you struggle with, you can also let us know. You can reach out to us on our Facebook, our Instagram, or our Twitter. You can always find us right here every day, Monday through Friday, on our YouTube channel. Make sure to leave us a like, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button over there, and the little bell lets you know that tomorrow morning and every weekday morning we have a video that comes out at 5:30 Central Time. So until tomorrow, happy manifesting.